Austin is known for its bustling business environment, with a variety of startups, established companies, and growing enterprises operating in various sectors. As businesses expand and evolve, the need for effective office management becomes even more crucial. One often overlooked but highly important aspect of office management is junk removal. Whether a company is undergoing a renovation, relocating, or simply decluttering, commercial junk removal plays an essential role in ensuring smooth office cleanouts. Here's why commercial junk removal is vital for office cleanouts in Austin. Maximizing office space. Austin's office spaces are in high demand, and as businesses grow, efficient space management becomes more critical. An office filled with old furniture, outdated equipment, and unnecessary paperwork can make the workspace feel cramped and inefficient. Commercial junk removal services help businesses reclaim valuable office space by removing unwanted items quickly and efficiently. By clearing out clutter, businesses can optimize their work environment, providing employees with a more organized, functional, and comfortable area to work in. With more space, businesses can either reorganize their office layout or even consider accommodating more employees. Creating a professional image. First impressions are important in business, and an office environment that is clean and clutter-free speaks volumes to clients, visitors, and potential partners. An office that is full of junk, outdated equipment, or piles of unnecessary documents can negatively impact a company's image. Commercial junk removal companies in Austin can help businesses maintain a professional image by ensuring their workspace is neat, organized, and conducive to productivity. Whether you're hosting clients or showing off your office space to potential partners, a clean office reflects a business that values professionalism and attention to detail. Reducing employee stress and improving productivity. A cluttered office environment can contribute to increased stress levels among employees. When staff members are surrounded by clutter, it can make it difficult for them to focus on their tasks and negatively affect their productivity. Commercial junk removal services in Austin can help eliminate unnecessary distractions by clearing out unwanted items that take up valuable office space. With a more organized and streamlined workspace, employees can focus on their work more effectively, leading to increased productivity, better morale, and overall job satisfaction. Environmental benefits. Austin is known for its environmental consciousness, and businesses in the city often strive to reduce their ecological footprint. Commercial junk removal companies can help businesses stay green by disposing of items responsibly. Many junk removal services in Austin focus on recycling, donating, or repurposing discarded items instead of sending everything to the landfill. Whether it's old office furniture, electronics, or paperwork, these services ensure that items are disposed of in an environmentally friendly way. This not only helps reduce waste but also aligns with Austin's eco-friendly initiatives and helps businesses contribute to sustainability efforts. Efficient and cost-effective. Managing junk removal on your own can be time-consuming, costly, and overwhelming. Businesses may struggle with renting dumpsters, sorting through items, and organizing pickups. A commercial junk removal company in Austin can take care of all these tasks efficiently, saving you time and effort. These companies have the necessary tools, equipment, and expertise to handle large-scale office cleanouts quickly. Whether it's removing heavy furniture, old office supplies, or electronic waste, professional junk removal services streamline the process. Additionally, they can save businesses money by eliminating the need to rent trucks or pay for disposal fees. Convenience and flexibility. Commercial junk removal companies in Austin offer flexible scheduling, meaning they can accommodate the needs of your business. Whether you're performing an office renovation after hours or clearing out the office over the weekend, these companies can work around your schedule. This minimizes disruption to your daily operations and ensures the junk removal process is convenient and seamless. Compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Certain types of waste, like electronic equipment or confidential documents, are subject to specific disposal regulations. Failing to comply with these rules can result in penalties or legal repercussions. Professional junk removal services are knowledgeable about local, state, and federal regulations regarding the disposal of office waste. They can ensure that your office cleanout complies with all relevant laws, providing peace of mind and avoiding any potential legal issues. Conclusion. In Austin's dynamic business environment, keeping your office clean, organized, and clutter-free is essential for maintaining a professional image and fostering a productive work environment. Commercial junk removal is an effective, eco-friendly, and cost-efficient solution to office cleanouts, offering numerous benefits to businesses. Whether you're relocating, renovating, or simply decluttering, professional junk removal services can help ensure your office remains efficient, organized, and in line with Austin's environmental values. By investing in commercial junk removal, your business can enhance productivity, reduce stress, and uphold a clean, professional workspace.